Alright, inspections are in the bag, and now your lender is getting things lined up. Here's the part where people either relax too much or they panic too early. Don't do either. Let's keep it real. During the contract's due diligence periods, you already checked disclosures, review reports, and had inspections poke around the house. Now it's time of decision if there's any issues that came up. Small stuff, don't sweat it. Every home in Chicago, from Lakeview condos to Orland Park single family homes, we all have little things. Asking for every scuff and drip to be fixed can annoy the seller and stall your deal. The bigger stuff, it's a different story. Think leaky roofs, bad windows, cracked foundations, tree roots, choking pipes. Those things are real money pits, and here's what you can do. Ask the seller to repair, ask for a price drop, or negotiate a credit at closing. The play depends on the market. A seller's market, sellers hold the cards. If multiple buyers are lined up, you may need to eat some of those costs yourself to stay in the game. But in the buyer's market, you got leverage. Sellers are more likely to step up with the repairs, credits, or concessions to keep you on the hook. Now, your lender also has a say here. Some loan types require certain repairs, like safety hazards, to be done before they'll hand over the money. That's why your realtor and your loan officer, that's me and my team, are always checking that your deposit and deals stay safe. So pro tip, sometimes sellers who prep smart will do major inspections ahead of time so that there are no surprises once they're under contract. Not common in Chicago, but when it happens, it makes life easier for everyone. Once all of this back and forth is settled, disclosures are reviewed and lenders' requirements are met. You're basically on the home stretch and keys are almost in your hand. So I'll see you on the next video. This is Hugo with Coldwell Banker.